Bro, why me? It's a very sad day. I have to factory reset my headset. So, this has been happening for like 10 days. So my headset just randomly started flashing the the Meta logo. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing this. I've tried everything. I've looked up YouTube tutorials. I can't figure it out. So, I only have one option. Why is my hair always wide? So yeah, I'll be factory resetting my headset. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's just get this over with, bro. Oh. Okay, there we go. So I've done boot device, I've done device info, I've done side load update. I've done all these. Except factory reset. This says it'll erase all data. I've done everything. This has been happening for 10 days. Oh, what the? I've never seen this before when people do it. I've never seen this, like, colorful swirl. Oh, it says... Okay, what do I do? Okay, restart it. Oh, what? Okay, so I just booted it back up. It worked this time. It completely resetted. I don't really know though, but I'll do this little tutorial thing and then I'll get back to you. So it says I have to pair it. Oh wait, it's already paired. Connecting. Connect new device. Now I have to create a boundary. Okay, bye. Okay, now I'm just gonna explain what happens here because I got in, I started recording, I hit record mic audio, and it didn't work. So yeah, as you can see, I don't have any of my videos that I've had for the past 2 years on my headset. Those all got deleted. And it says here that I have all my apps still on the headset. I just have to install them. So first I was gonna download Gorilla Tag to see if any of my cosmetics were still there. And to see if anything in Beat Saber was still there. So Beat Saber downloaded first, so I went into that. So yeah, I loaded it in and nothing was there. Absolutely nothing. None of the BMBF stuff. Luckily, I did have my Beat Saber packs that I did buy from their store. So I did play one song just to, you know. After that, I went into Gorilla Tag. Just to see that none of my cosmetics were there. Just kidding, they were all back. In conclusion, number 1, if you factory reset your headset, you will lose all videos and photos. Number 2, any apps that you had installed on your headset, you can reinstall as long as you log back in. And number 3, it worked. Also, I don't have a number 3, so like the video.